Hello dear friends, in this video we are dealing with the degradation of phospholipids. Phospholipases are the enzymes that hydrolyze specific bonds within glycerophospholipids. In that phospholipases A1, A2 and B hydrolyze fatty acids from the glycerol backbone, while phospholipases C and D are the enzymes which cleaves the bond that release polar head group, that is phosphate or fatty acid from the phosphate group respectively. Degradation of phospholipids produces free fatty acids and lysophospholipids, which are crucial substrates for signaling molecules like eicosanoids. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.